I hear thumbs up. Let's go find our elves. But first, we have to do a countdown calendar.
Which one are we on? 23? You know what that means, huh, Trin? What does that mean?
Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, you guys.
And then what's the next day after that? Christmas!
Christmas!
Grinch Day.
Alright. You got it. 23.
Alright, what are we gonna get?
Probably another crayon.
This one doesn't want to open.
Oh, another crayon.
Ugh. Oh, crayon.
Just
Holiday crayon.
Prawn.
Honestly.
What's it say? Alright. Let Santa know to stop at your house with a colorful door hanger. What?
Yeah.
Because Santa Claus always uses doors, right?
Yeah. No.
What?
No. Honestly,
Madison,
glittery.
hey.
It's glittery.
How does Santa get in a house?
Chinny.
Yeah, girl. Alright.
Alright.
So you guys, in our house, we actually have a couple fireplaces. We've got this one, which also is on the other side, but then we also have one in my room. I think we're just gonna block this one off, and so we can only come in my room and only give me presents.
No.
Alright guys, so here's their door hanger. Before they do this, I think they need to go find their elves. Go find
Yes.
your elves.
Where should we look first?
Kitchen.
Kitchen? Okay, I'm following you.
Kitchen. Yay, kitchen. Pantry. No. I've been snacking in this the whole
The
time.
light isn't even on.
Mom, give me that snack.
Nothing in the snack cupboard?
I know.
Where?
Let's go in here. No.
Girls, I saw a light out upstairs. I don't know.
Yay! Our elves are up there.
Ooh, there are lights on. Check everywhere.
Whoa! They want to make glow-in-the-dark slime.
What is
it? Jack Frost slime. Jack Frost slime.
Jack?
I thought I was gonna say Frosty the Snowman slime.
No way, crazy. Girls, look at this winter wonderland behind you.
Winter Wonderland.
Isn't that awesome? So, there are 2 things of glue here, girls. You're gonna make some Jack Frost slime. Do you even know what that is?
I guess that Jack Frost.
I have no clue.
Girls, do you even know who Jack Frost is?
Yeah.
Who is he, Trin?
All I know is that every day he wears.
He's the guy that makes it cold outside. He doesn't live in California.
He does. Yes, he does. High up in the
No
mountains.
way. Hey, this looks like Frozen.
It does.
Seriously.
That's where the reindeer ate the snowman's nose.
Yeah, remember his antlers got stuck in the little icicle things?
Yep.
Hanging there?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I sent the girls downstairs to change so they got some shorter sleeves on so they don't mess up their sleeves. But I'm gonna go ahead and move these elves down. I don't want the girls seeing me touch them. I'm not gonna touch them, guys, okay? I'm gonna move the sign, okay? Ooh, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming. Okay, shh. Alright, so, right here. And just like that, I moved the elves, but I did not touch them, so everyone is safe, you guys. Alright guys, so we are back. The girls are changed. Trinity's got that outfit on. Madison even put on a Frozen shirt to match the Frozen
Ooh la
background.
la.
And because it's Frozen and we're doing Jack Frost stuff.
We've got Anno.
Okay, so Mom wouldn't let me read this without you.
So, does Trin
And
want to try reading it?
You want to read it? I'll give you a hint. Just add glue. Okay, what do you think it says?
This had glue.
Yeah, Madison knew it. Okay.
Just add glue.
Alright, just add glue. So all we gotta do is dump the glue in here.
Trin's got some blue glitter glue.
Okay, so let's go ahead and add some glue. Alright, Trin, go ahead and dump your blue in. Madison, go ahead and dump in your glow in the dark.
Glow in the dark.
Hey, do you see it? This is actually really hard. It's like floating. It's floating.
Whoa.
There's some type of magic in it.
Some magic. Whoa.
Wow. It's floating. Alright guys, we got the glue added in. But now all we have to do is pick some glitter. Yeah, guys.
Alright guys, so for this one, we're only gonna have the girls choose one glitter. So to do that, we're gonna have the girls do a quick twin telepathy challenge. So turn them away. Okay, Trin, here are yours. Okay. Madison, here are yours. Okay. So go ahead and pick one. Don't turn around or nothing. Go ahead and pick, Madison.
Any, mini, miny, mo. I say here you go.
All right. Okay, ready? Okay, both of you got them picked. Okay, turn around in 3, 2, 1.
And Trin's got silver.
Who knew they were both going to choose the snowflakes? If you guys would have chose snowflakes, tell us down below.
Me!
Yeah! Alright.
I'm the one.
Alright, now girls, I'm going to go ahead and cut these open for you and you can dump them in.
Okay.
But your elves did not bring any spoons or spatulas or nothing. So, yeah.
I don't want to do that.
You gotta do it, Madison.
No.
We gotta mix this stuff up.
No.
All right.
Trin
I'm
is
in
super
it.
excited.
Oh,
Not
man.
yet, girl, not yet.
Alright.
Okay.
Trin, you ready? Okay, hold the bottom of yours. Okay, go ahead and dump it in.
Oh, it's so magical
All right.
looking.
Madison, you ready? Okay. Here, hold the bottom of yours. Alright, dump them in. Whoa, you got bunches in there. Alright, now, Trin, go for it. Ew.
Look at fingers
Ew.
slidey in there.
Alright, Madison. See, it's not that messy. Look at Trin's hands. See, they're not dirty at all.
Yes, they are.
Alright, ready?
Hey, this is the one time we'll let you get kind of messy.
Uh-oh.
She's not
Madison
sure
does
about
not
this.
like to be messy.
She
She's a little
doesn't.
princess. Okay, you want to do it? How about just one hand? And you can close your eyes so you don't have to see your hand.
I made slime.
What? Trin's already got
mixing
slime
it.
over
Mix
there.
it, girl,
looks
mix
like the
it.
icicles. She's got
It
icicle
does.
slime. Madison, you ready? Okay, go.
No.
Come on.
Very
All right,
weird slime.
I'm gonna go ahead and mix up Madison's for her. Ew. Ew.
Is that silly?
Look, Madison, I'm only putting one finger in there. You want to try it?
Yeah, you want to try
Ew.
it? Did it.
Yay! Now get your whole hand in there.
Yay!
No.
Get it in there. Come on, Madison, get your hands in there. Get gooey. Get gooey. Get gooey. Oh no.
Yay, girl!
This is probably some of the fastest making slime that we've ever done.
Because it's Jack Frost slime.
Jack Frost slime, is it
And-
cold?
And water freezes into ice.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and keep mixing this up, and we will be back with a slime reveal in
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah! Look,
Look at that cute bubble.
Wow!
Madison, look.
Hey.
It doesn't even pop.
Look at this
Whoa,
slime.
that is pretty glittery and snowflakey.
Stretchy.
Best let's see yours.
Whoa. Ooh.
And hers even glows.
What?
Let's turn off the light.
Oh my
Turn
goodness.
off the lights.
Whoa!
I see it.
Turn it off. Make it bubble, Daddy.
Wow.
What in the world? Alright guys, so we've got these slimes. We got Madison's over here, that's the glow in the dark with the blue snowflakes. And then we've got Trinity's over here, which is blue, super sparkly, and has the silver snowflakes.
Yeah, clear when you And a snowman melts. A snowman.
We're gonna see if we can make a quick slime snowman. Okay, Madison, can you make this into a snowman head?
Yes! Come on, snowman. Let's roll you up. Roll, 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 roll.
Alright, here we go.
Come on, snowman head.
There's the bottom of him.
This is actually a good
Okay,
snowman
here's the
head.
next one. Hurry, put his head under.
Oh no!
Ready?
He's melting!
No!
No!
No.
You can make your eyes.
No! He's going! Going down! Oh no!
No, snowman, go that way.
He's melting, Madison.
More Frosty Snowman. His
You
name
want
is
one?
Jack Frost.
Wait, he looks like a penguin.
I see his. Look, he's got
Waddle, waddle,
eyes
waddle.
and ear. Or I mean, eyes and a nose.
Alright guys, so tell us down below, whose do you like better, Madison's or Trinity slime, or are they both cool? Let us know. Alright girls, I think you still have a calendar to finish.
Look at my cute snowman! Yay! Alright guys, look what colors I got. Green, purple, and blue. I got red. I'm going to start off with red.
Okay, go ahead and color what you want red. Madison, what are you going to color with those colors?
I'm going to color
Oh, you
this.
can color blue snowflakes.
Yeah!
That'll be
And then I'm going to color purple birdie.
A purple birdie.
And then,
Okay.
green letters.
Green Santa letters? Okay.
Alright guys, this is just the back, but we'll show you the front.
Oh, yeah.
I did
Santa, Madison.
stop here. And then I did this and all the snowflakes. Santa stop.
Where are we going to put it?
On my bedroom door.
Let's go put it on your bedroom door, Madison.
Yay. Guys,
What?
when we were at a hotel, they had one of these.
They had one of these door hangers? Well, now we've got a special Santa one.
Two ones.
Now he knows to stop here.
Well, guys, I hope you like this Jack Frost making slime elf video. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications. Get back tomorrow to see what's working in bubblegum.